So I want to talk about how to increase the diversity of your gut, microbiome, or friendly bacteria.
Imagine this. Right now, inside your body lives an entire world of trillions of microscopic creatures, bacteria, fungi, and viruses. They outnumber your human cells. They form colonies, compete, cooperate, and influence everything from your mood to your immune system. And here's the shocking part. This hidden world inside your gut could determine how long you live. Scientists call it the microbiome, and it might be the missing link between health, aging, and even happiness. If you want to add years to your life, the secret may not lie in a pill, but in your gut. Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of gut health, exploring how your microbiome connects directly to your lifespan, and revealing what you can actually do to nurture it. So stay with me until the end, because the story of your gut is the story of your life. The hidden universe inside you, the human gut is more than just a digestive tube. It is a super organ, a community made up of trillions of bacteria, yeasts, and viruses that interact with your body every second. This community is so vast that scientists estimate the gut microbiome weighs as much as your brain, about 3 pounds. It contains more genetic material than the human genome itself. In other words, you are not just you are a walking ecosystem. This ecosystem helps digest food, produce vitamins, regulate your immune system, and even communicate with your brain. Researchers call it the second brain, because the gut has its own complex nervous system and directly affects how you feel and think. Ever had butterflies before a stressful event? That's your gut-brain connection in action. But beyond emotions, your gut bacteria may hold the secret to how long you live. Gut health and longevity. The scientific evidence studies on centenarians, people who live past 100, reveal something fascinating. Many of them have a unique microbiome profile compared to younger adults. They carry specific bacterial strains that produce anti-inflammatory compounds, helping their bodies fight age-related diseases. In contrast, people with poor gut health often experience chronic inflammation, which scientists now call inflammaging. This low-grade, long-term inflammation accelerates aging and increases the risk of diseases like diabetes, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. One groundbreaking study in Italy analyzed the microbiomes of centenarians and found that their gut bacteria supported resilience against infection and maintained balance in their immune systems. Another study in Japan discovered that longevity-linked bacteria were especially good at breaking down dietary fibers into short-chain fatty acids, which protect cells from damage. The message is clear: your gut composition can literally extend or shorten your lifespan. The role of gut health in disease prevention. Poor gut health doesn't just make you feel bloated or uncomfortable. It weakens your body's defenses against disease. An imbalanced microbiome, also called dysbiosis, can cause the immune system to overreact, triggering autoimmune conditions like Crohn's disease, rheumatoid arthritis, and even multiple sclerosis. It can also promote metabolic disorders such as obesity and type 2 diabetes, which are known to shorten lifespan. On the other hand, a healthy, diverse microbiome protects against infections, regulates blood sugar, and keeps cholesterol in check. Your gut bacteria even train your immune system to recognize friend from foe, lowering your risk of dangerous infections. Simply put, a healthy gut is like having a personal bodyguard working 24/7 to keep you alive longer. The gut-brain connection and lifespan. Here's another layer to the story. Your microbiome directly influences your brain health, and that too is linked to how long you live. Research shows that gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, which affect your mood, stress levels, and sleep. Poor gut health has been associated with anxiety, depression, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Why does this matter for lifespan? Because chronic stress and poor mental health speed up aging. Cortisol, the stress hormone, damages cells over time, while poor sleep impairs the body's ability to repair itself. If your gut is unhealthy, your brain suffers, and so does your longevity. What shapes your microbiome? If the gut is so important, then what controls it? The answer is lifestyle. From the moment you are born, your microbiome begins forming through natural birth, breastfeeding, and exposure to your environment. But as you age, what you eat, how much you move, how you sleep, and even how much stress you carry all determine whether your microbiome thrives or collapses. The Western diet, high in processed foods, sugar, and low in fiber, has been linked to reduced microbial diversity. And when diversity falls, harmful bacteria can dominate, leading to inflammation and disease. On the other hand, diets rich in plants, whole grains, fermented foods, and omega-3 fats support a vibrant gut ecosystem. Antibiotic overuse, lack of exercise, poor sleep, and chronic stress also damage the microbiome. This is why two people the same age can have completely different biological ages. Their gut health is shaping how fast they age. Practical steps to improve your gut for a longer life. Now let's get practical. If you want to extend your lifespan by improving your gut health, here are some evidence-based steps. Eat more fiber. Fiber feeds good bacteria. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains produce short-chain fatty acids that reduce inflammation and strengthen your intestinal wall. Incorporate fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso contain live probiotics that add beneficial bacteria to your gut. Limit processed foods and sugar. Processed foods and artificial sweeteners disrupt the microbiome, feeding harmful bacteria that contribute to inflammation. Stay physically active. Exercise increases microbial diversity, supporting bacteria linked to metabolic health and longevity. Manage stress and sleep well. Meditation, breathing exercises, and quality sleep restore balance in the gut-brain connection. Use antibiotics wisely. Only take antibiotics when necessary, since they wipe out good bacteria along with the bad. Consider prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotic fibers, found in foods like garlic, onions, and bananas, feed good bacteria, while probiotic supplements may help restore balance after disruptions. Each of these choices slowly reshapes your microbiome. Over time, they don't just improve digestion, they literally reprogram how your body ages. The future of microbiome research. Scientists are now exploring microbiome transplants, where healthy bacteria from one person are transferred to another to treat disease. Clinical trials suggest this could help with conditions like severe gut infections, obesity, and even autism. Imagine a future where instead of drugs, doctors prescribe personalized microbiome diets or tailored probiotics to extend life. The microbiome revolution is just beginning, but one truth is already undeniable: gut health is not optional. It is central to living longer and better. So let's return to the original question: how can your gut health improve your lifespan? The answer is clear. The trillions of microbes inside you are not passive passengers. They are active partners in your survival. They influence your heart, your brain, your immunity, and your aging clock. When you care for them, they care for you. When you neglect them, they shorten your life. Your gut is not just about digestion. It is about destiny. And the choices you make today, what you eat, how you live, could decide not just how long you survive, but how well you thrive. If this video opened your eyes to the hidden power of the microbiome, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Stay tuned for more science-based insights on how to take control of your health, your mind, and your future. Because your body is a story, and it's time you became the author.